If you want to download files from Google Drive, then you can simply go over here and then choose the file that you want to download. Let's say, for example, I want to download this JPG file. I can right click and click on download right here. So it scans for viruses online and simply downloads that app. And over here on my downloads, you can see right here, I can just go around here and it is in my download folder. The image that I downloaded as it is. But the download option works a bit differently for documents. So over here, if I were to go into my automatic convert folder where I uploaded slides, docs, and sheets right here, if we were to download it, there's no application to support these file formats natively on computer. So if I were to right click and download this out, what happens is that it first converts these slides into PowerPoint and then docs into Word and then sheets into Excel. So it converts it into Microsoft Office format so that we can access it on our computer, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to allow right here, just like this. Now, if I were to go to my downloads, you can see that it downloaded it not as Google Docs format, but as Microsoft Office file formats right there, just like that. Another thing that I can do is download multiple files. So let's say, for example, if I want to download automatic convert and to convert right here and new folder, I can simply right click and hit download. So what it does is it zips out all the files in these chosen files. If you select files and everything else first, it zips out everything right here. So this might take a while depending on the number of files that you chose. And once it completes out, just like this, a tick mark is shown and it is downloaded as a zip file, as you can see. And once you open it up, you can see right here that all of the files, right, there's the automatic convert right here, and that has been converted into Office files again. There's the new folder right here, and to convert everything is there. And those are the download options. Another download option you have is to download the documents in different file formats. So I'm just going to open up the docs test right here. So of course, if you download this directly off of Google Drive, it downloads as Word format. But if you were to open this out, you can go to File, and over here in Download, you have an option to download it as Microsoft Word format, as Open Document for other applications, as PDF as well, even as a plain text web page or EPUB, as you can see. So I'm just going to download this as a PDF, let's say, for example. So this is a great Word to PDF converter as well, just like that. So once I download it, you can see that it's in a PDF format. So I can just open it out and it has been downloaded as a PDF format. And those are the download options provided to you by Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.